Hello and welcome back, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make a DIY photography background. I love how simple this is. You only need a couple supplies and it's really versatile for a lot of different photography needs. All you need is a set of 3 putty knives, spackling paste, plywood board of any size you want, and optional drop cloth. As you can see here, I'm looking at the different plywoods. They're very thin, so they're really prone to warping. So just compare them and make sure you're getting a good one. I got some extra brushes for another project, but as you can see, it came under $20. I prepped my board. Now I'm going to be grabbing my spackling paste and my putty knives and getting to work. I think this is one of the easiest DIY projects that you can do because all you do is take the spackling paste and apply it. And from there, just use your creativity and honestly, go with it. Go with the flow of it and see how it turns out. And it's super cheap, so you can always do another one if you want to do a different color or a different style. I definitely want to create more boards maybe with different colors, mixing paint in the spackling paste or even spray painting it afterwards. I just think it would be so much fun to experiment with different textures, different colors, make so many cool photography backgrounds for my different cards and journals and even artwork. I've used this one so much already that I think it would be so fun to just create more different ones. I just made sure that there was no holes, no bare spots, that you could see the wood from underneath. That's the most important part, is that because it's white and then the wood is underneath, you really want to make sure that there's no thin spots. So I just kind of go back in there and fill in some of the holes that I miss, and kind of see where I need to be fixing things. Here you just see me use the giant, the biggest putty knife, and that's just to smooth down some of the ridges that I kind of want more bigger looking, like strokes and texture. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing there, taking off any excess from the sides, and just kind of going all the way around, being very meticulous with it, because once it kind of starts to harden, it can get kind of gummy. I kind of did a couple strokes at the end there and I was like, oh, okay, probably shouldn't have touched it. So usually it's like the least amount of finessing the better. So yeah, I'm just filling in some holes, just going in, taking somewhat of my time, but also being pretty quick for it to dry, because it only dries in like probably a couple hours, and yeah, you can use it right away. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Sit back, relax, just look at me complete it, and I hope it inspires you to create your own DIY photography background. I really like the finished product and what it looks like. I like that it's white but still textured. That's great for photographs of when you want the true colors from either a painting, cards, whatever, and yet it's still like textured. You can see something. So yeah, really love how it turned out. There are a couple of holes, but more in the side area, so I didn't even bother for filling those up. But yeah, other than that, looks good. And now here you can see that I'm using it to photograph my card set that will be going up on my site very soon, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, it works great, and at the end you'll see the final product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and have a wonderful day.